one. Oh, okay. Hey, your copyright. Okay, I'm gonna just go. Sorry, different a different day. Because I was so busy. Copy me. Oh, this is the wrong one. This is the one that's speaking. This stuff. Hi. Welcome to our spot. Gladly, you can come. Just for this. She's the most beautiful girl in the world. And she's the most beautiful. Girls who don't know you. Oh yeah, you should. You will open. Okay, so what? Let's stay until 8 It's almost close. It closes at freaking 5 a.m. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check. Yeah, sure. Okay, let's go. Okay, is everything close? Okay, guys, bye. I really need to go to sleep. Bye.